It's like he's pulled himself a bit of a mischief.
Scott?
Hey mate.
Good to meet you.
This bloke in the driver's seat looks like he's been driving around all day picking up people with four-wheel drives again. He's done is he's bound up the LSD in the back.
See now?
Yeah, that's pinion. So that's...
You can even hear it coming.
It's not even spinning, so see here?
Yeah.
Your drive shaft stuck? So that's just ring and pinion, so no transfer.
Okay. That's interesting because guys online, the guys on the phone today, well, it can't be a transfer case. Sorry, it can't be your LSD because when
Do you want to jump in and drop her in neutral? Yeah, no, so that's ring and pinion there, so that's a centre.
okay.
So that's not a transfer case. So that she would have, I reckon she's bound up the LSD going up that. And you've just gone pop, so that's just a centre.
So what,
Yeah, that's why.
is that a repairable thing or is that a new LSD?
That's a new centre, or maybe a new ring and pinion, but we'll have to pull it out.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's easy enough. That's an easy diff to pull apart.
I love it when people turn around and go, that's easy.
You don't even have to take the wheels off. The centres come out in about half an hour. Neutral. There you go. Yeah, not gearbox. We can sort that one out. And that's a cheap and quick one. So if we can get our hands on one, we can ring around and see if someone's got one close. And yeah, we can just rip that centre out of it, clean it all out, check that it's not an axle or anything either, and yeah. Well, it's still surprisingly green.
Oh, it's only been in there 3 weeks.
Oh, okay. Could be greener. Got any baby unicorns coming out the bottom or what? Oh, yep, there's chunks.
Yeah?
Yeah, I heard him land in the bottom.
Okay.
Yep, something's exploded.
Well, at least now we know.
Yep. I reckon you've done a pinion,
Okay.
or a pinion ring gear. By the looks of the chunks that are floating around in this galactic soup, and that are stuck to the magnet. Yep. Alright, well that's where we are. Alright, so that's fun. That's even got play. One of these bearings is giving it. Won't crank it up. Yeah, I reckon one of these bearings is giving out. See that?
Okay. What, a bearing within the LSD?
No, these ones. So these are actually two big bearings.
Yes.
To see that play,
Yeah.
it might have been.
Slacking around.
Yeah. So we'll do that. I've just got to pop the axles out of each end
Well,
and just slide them out a little bit. But if we're going to be doing it, we're putting seals. We're doing all the bits anyway.
I'll go through my box of bits.
And see
let's
what's
see
there.
what I've got, and anything that we need, we get.
A joke. Like how quiet it was.
Oh, what, once you've done?
Oh yeah, like I hear this noise all the time. As soon as I did it, it was all gone.
drop off. Yeah, mine's got a little
Yep.
copper seal type gaskety papery thing on it.
Yeah, I got a papery one. So yep, so I'm just bringing that out now.
You're not taking them all the way out though, no?
Yeah, just pull them all the way out.
All right, okay.
Just bring them out. Like, and the LSD is trash and she just explodes everywhere.
Yeah.
Then you just order this unit.
Whole thing.
Yep, the pinion's still tight. Like, it's not really floating backwards and forwards, but now that we've got it empty,
Yeah.
we can check. So there's no axles now.
Yeah.
So this is fine. It's a fair bit of...
Oh, well done. Oh no,
So
there's all little cutouts all the way around it by the looks of it.
Yeah, so what you're going to have, this will be a better angle. I'll get it up underneath. So, well, something's let go. It might even be the internal. Oh yeah, there you go, look. So they're internals. So we're good with the ring and pinion.
Okay.
So see all the little spider gears
Oh Jesus.
inside? That's
Yeah.
your LSD gears.
Right.
So we can just drop this out.
Okay.
I'm just dropping. So see these?
Yeah.
You've got them?
Yeah.
They shift to engage the plates. So as your spider gears inside,
I've heard the term spider gears before.
they shift open,
Yes.
press against the plates.
Right.
So you've probably either worn the shim pack out,
Yep.
and there's not enough that allows it to go too
Too
far.
far, yeah.
But yeah, they're cooked.
In here in awe of what you're doing. Is there nothing I can do to be useful?
No,
It doesn't look like there's room for a...
Another set of hands.
Yeah,
There isn't.
that's what I thought.
Oh, and
I've got that. Yeah.
it looks like I might have spun a bearing too. I've got that one. So these are just your bearings. So see on the ends here,
Yes.
you can see it's all scored and damaged.
Yeah.
So it may have shifted across and had a moment. So we'll check the axles as well
Yes.
and make sure they're not split or bent.
Okay.
So there's that one. So they might not have been preloaded properly
Right.
From-
Nothing would surprise me.
from the go. So we'll just see. I don't need a spreader. Nope. Oh, this is.
Do you need me to hold that brake pipe out of the way?
No, it's not in the way.
Just got to get this one back up.
So that was what I was saying about the weight.
Yep.
There's just shrapnel everywhere.
But the thing in front, that nose gear pinion thing,
seems
that
fine.
appears to be in...
The ring and pinion seem fine.
Okay.
All right, so I'm going to give you this. It's a
Yep.
bit greasy.
Yeah.
Now,
Does it matter what side they were?
well, usually they sit out.
Right.
I've got it on video anyway.
Yeah. It's just, which one was the last one you undid? Because obviously that was the one on top.
The one you sat on top.
Yeah.
So that one is drive side.
Okay. This is passenger side.
Yep.
This
I'll
is
do this
passenger
already.
side. This is passenger side.
Drive. There you go. Look
Yeah.
at that.
That's passenger side.
Yep. And drive side. Yeah, so see around here.
Yeah.
See how we got scores and
I'll
marks?
just get newies. I'm not going to...
See it?
Yeah.
It's been spun in the housing.
Okay.
So,
So it'll be new ones of those, new ones of...
new carrier bearings, the
Yeah.
whole works. So, oh, that feels fine.
I'll take it this is getting a nice picture of that.
Oh, it's getting all of that. I'm going to get a photo of it on the ground too.
Knock yourself out.
Oh, we could hear all bits falling. Oh, those plates are hammered.
Yeah, they don't look the best.
Alright, so. Oh yeah, look at that. And they're even bowed. they're bowed out. Oh.
Holy Christ. Let's put that on photo.
Oh, here you go. This already.
Yeah.
See, I get this piece out. Yeah.
Yeah, no, I think that's broke.
I think it's had its day.
Definitely looks broke to me.
Yeah, I don't think we'll reuse this. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to set everything down as it comes off. Like that. Alright. Oh, look at it.
Wow, look at the...
Yeah.
Holy crap. That's pretty good there, yeah. No, that's well and truly foobarred.
Yeah. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a spacer between these two.
Yep,
Put this cradle back in
yep,
and let it sit. And then these two will I'll put a block of timber between them.
yep.
And I can just spin on it. So yeah, we broke teeth. We didn't break. Oh. Yeah, so see how they are. You know how they're offset slightly?
Yeah.
You can see it. So all that happens is this essentially, as these load, it presses those things against them,
Yep.
and they press out. But yeah, it's well and truly foobarred.
Yeah, there's not a single part of that that is salvageable.
No, there is not. And the fact you've cracked the the plates as well,
Yeah.
so they're not salvageable,
Oh,
even by the slightest of margins. It's all the frogs.
Alright.
Oh, you cracked both plates too. Just put them both the same, look. You see it there,
Shit.
right through. It's pretty spectacularly messed up. Oh, focus. Oh, there he goes. Oh. Oh. Oh, there it is. Yeah, so they were just destroyed. Where's that really bad one? That
One with a chunk missing.
That one.
Yeah. I mean, look. You've got 2 chunks out of that.
Oh yeah. This lens doesn't like this. Oh yeah, that's pretty spectacular, that one too. Cracked plates, everything. Good job.